I discovered 4 insane ways to make money with Genspark AI that most people don't know about. Hey guys, and welcome to Vlad's Insights, where each day I share one valuable insight from my vast collection of 400 plus videos. Genspark's AI Sheets feature is a goldmine for monetization, and I'm sharing 4 proven methods that work right now. Method 1. One-click directories. I create comprehensive directories like AI tools for teachers with 50 entries including tool name, URL, summary, features, pros and cons, pricing, and best use cases. The monetization? Affiliate links and Fiverr gigs. People pay $50 to $200 for custom directories. Method 2. Niche research for YouTube automation. I generate lists of 30 viral YouTube Shorts niches with emergence data, creation difficulty, competition levels, and CPM ranges. Sell this as a service or create your own channels using tools like Auto Shorts. Method 3. Lead generation and outreach. Genspark finds company owners in specific locations with websites and contact information. For example, 10 tree trimming companies in Austin, Texas, with owner names, phone numbers, and websites. This saves hours of manual research. Method 4. Customer development and pain point analysis. I use Genspark as a Reddit scraper to collect pain points for specific business types. It provides business context, key features, ideal customer profiles, and emotional pain indicators. Each method has proven Fiverr demand with high average order values. The beauty is Genspark's 200 free daily credits are enough for multiple projects. Practical advice: focus on AI tool directories for best affiliate potential, validate niche research with actual YouTube creation, use lead generation for your own services, and sell customer research to consultants and agencies. Check out my Words at Scale school community where I share all of my personal SEO ranking secrets and copywriting workflows, including the complete Genspark Academy with all these monetization methods.